You generally see two different kinds of people. They're the people that see a disaster and they get out of the way. And you have the people that see a disaster and they go towards it. They stand firm. And then the first thing they're doing when everyone else is safely over here, including their families, is they go out and assess, okay, how can we bring life back to normal?
Back in 2004, there were 4 storms back to back. And so that was a pivotal moment here in St. Johns County because we were very unprepared. We didn't have pre-positioned contracts. We didn't have the technology we have now.
Now we can actually dive into that, to our data, matured enough. We've been doing it for so long. We have different ways to actually see the data, query the data, analyze the data.
So yeah, this gives you a pretty good idea of where you need to focus on the most post-storm and where we really should be directing our cleanup efforts.
So in 2019, we had a rather small but influential wildfire. It was a 2,000-acre fire called the Museum Fire. Happened directly outside of city limits on very steep slopes with watersheds that drained immediately into the city. So there's very little area.
So we cannot predict wildfire nor flooding, and so you just have to be ready, right? So setting up that technology gave us the readiness to prepare for any kind of natural disaster that may happen.
So Trimble Unity, that allowed us to have an asset management program that allowed us to identify areas that were bottlenecks as well as areas that could be overwhelmed in terms of catch basins, pipes, roadway sections, etc. So we're able to take things out of our GIS system, out of the geo databases and out of our flood models, and then put that within our asset management system for areas that need to be cleaned either proactively or retroactively as the floods occurred.
When I think about that, I think about our stormwater maintenance crews. They're a lot the ones boots on the ground, and using this software, this program, they can easily organize and get lots of work orders done instead of getting lost in paperwork, getting lost in disorganization.
We had a pump go down during a rain event. We got about 5 or 6 inches within about 12 hours. And because we had the data before us, we were able to have the confidence to go ahead and flip that other pump and put that in line. We never missed a beat.
Zoom into your clarifier.
We never had a spill, which is a huge no-no.
A system that we can collect the data, we can take pictures, we can take GIS coordinates, and be able to provide you a real-time map of all the information that's in the field.
It just streamlines right into the system, and we can see a little dot on the map. We picked up a tree here, we picked up construction debris here, all at your fingertips. It's made reporting, operational statistics, everything in a moment's notice, which means I can make quicker decisions on what we need to do to recover.
So resilience means to me, especially during the flooding and fires, was just seeing everyone wake up every morning, lace up their boots, get out there and just keep doing what needed to be done to resolve the issues.
So do you think of the people here at Public Works as heroes?
Oh yeah, I do. Sorry. I feel like our guys always respond to those. Don't see much, but I think between what the crews are doing out and what we're providing and what we're assisting them is making a difference. We just do it. We just gotta do it.
It's kind of hard to think that you're a hero because I'm just over here in this building working on computers, and sometimes I'm going out in the field helping out those field crews. But at the end of the day, I really did help my community out. And so, yeah, I guess I'm a hero.